Set, ready for racing. Racing just is started. Airborne Magic break with let start rushing about the outside. Garly makes in between horses. One Tanamera. The next on line is Mud. He slides Slim, then followed now by number 5 Jade Avenue, while Hurricane Ridge is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with Airborne Magic, one Tanamera in between horses. Garly Max is on the outside. Then 6 lengths further back in third comes Mud. He slides Slim. The next on line is Jade Avenue, while Hurricane Ridge is still racing in less inside the Tres Octavo with Airborne Magic. One Tanamera in second, and in third comes Garly Max. Coming closer now in fourth is Mud. He slides Slim. Jade Avenue comes next, while number 2 Hurricane Ridge is still racing in less. And Diana entering the home stretch with Airborne Magic. Guantanamera, Mud slides Slim is running by the rail with about 150 meters more to run with Airborne Magic. Mud slides Slim moving up now on the outside is Jade Avenue, but it's still Airborne Magic, and finally Airborne Magic. Mud slides Slim, then comes Jade Avenue. Guantanamera.
Alright, number 1, Airborne Magic. Ang siyang unang tumawid sa ating finish line, ridden by M&M Mark Gonzalez. Masisigundo yung 4A Mud Slides Slim, then 5 Jade Avenue. Para rin natin replay nitong race number 2.